Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now that you have successfully opened your FX account with Hugo's Way, or whichever broker that you chose, you'll then come over and download the Metatrader 4 app via your cell phone or your laptop, whichever device you're going to be using primarily to trade. If you're on the laptop, what you do is you simply come to File. Well, actually, when you download it for the first time, it'll actually pop up with this screen, and it'll look like this. Okay, this type of screen will pop up. Alright, depending on where you downloaded your original Metatrader 4, depends on what server is going to come up automatically. Now, you're going to want to be in Hugo's Real 3 if you're in a live account. Okay. If you're in a demo account, you will use Hugo's Way Demo 3. Okay. If you don't see those in that box, what you'll do is you'll come over here to open an account. You'll scroll down here to the bottom, and right here you'll double click and you'll type in Hugo's Way. You'll scan. Go to the top. You'll see that Hugo's Way begins to pop up here, and you'll be able to choose. You'll hit next. Then if you refer to the email that was sent to you when you created your account, you'll hit create, log into an existing account, and you'll enter the parameters they gave you via the email. Save password, and you'll hit finish. I'm already logged into my real Hugo's Way account here. Alright, now you'll also want to install the indicators that are located in the file right below this video so that your screen will look like mine. What I have on here on my screen is the RSI down below. Tune into the live training and you'll be able to visualize and see exactly how I use this template and this strategy in order to predict and profit on a consistent basis in the market. Okay, this is the RSI down below that measures trade momentum, trend momentum, and market momentum. To the right we have price along the right hand side here. Now if I come out of this full screen, you'll see these icons up here. Of course, we have the time frames, whether or not you want a bar, candle, or line graph up here. Zoom in, zoom out. Now I'm going to tell you a little shortcut for that. Okay, if you press Control plus, you'll zoom in. If you press Control minus, you'll zoom out. Okay, period separators. Control Y, turn the separators on and off. Control G, turns your grid on and off. Okay, now up here I have the moving averages, the exponential 8 and the exponential 21. I have some arrows that help me identify price movement. Now here in this situation, my targets are actually the red arrows on the back side here. Okay, these are actually my targets in this situation, these red arrows here. Okay. Again, if you tune into the live training or review the archives there in Morpheus's archives, you'll then begin to visualize and see exactly how I use this template and this strategy to profit on a consistent basis. Alright. Now, if you come in down here to the 1 hour chart, you'll begin to see an additional set of indicators over here on the right, which are indicating some Fibonacci point levels. We also have the day candle, which is right here. Currently the day candle is red, so you see this is what it looks like here. We zoom in, you'll see it there. This is the day candle. Get a good visual of that there. That day candle here to the right, this red blob. Alright, now if you go to the day candle, you'll see that that's exactly what it looks like here. Okay. Now, based on what we're looking at, we can see that the low of this candle right here is currently at intraday long level, which we could potentially bounce. We formed a low right here at the pivot. If you can see right here, the pivot. Okay, now I have a gray background on here, which you guys may be able to see better on a white. So what you'll do is you'll come in here and you'll hit properties, and you can play with the colors over here and alter it to your liking. Alright, now just to explain these boxes that I have here, this brown goldenrod box here indicates the Asian session. This here indicates the London session, this blue box. The green box indicates the New York session. Okay, this simply highlights the high and low of the trading range for that particular session. If you notice here, right now we are currently at the high of the London trading session, and that's indicated here by the high of this blue box. Okay, the low of the Asian session here, the high of the Asian sessions here. So in this situation, considering that we're intraday trading, I expect this price to retest and potentially even break through the Asian range for the New York session. So by the end of the day, we should be way up here towards our daily targets. And that's the gist of it. Once you download the indicators and install the template, you'll simply see exactly what I see on my charts. Now to install the templates, you'll come over here and you'll take the file that's right below this screen. You'll find it in your computer or wherever you download it and save that file to. You'll come in here to open data folder. You'll want to extract the contents that are in the folder that you download right below this video. Okay, you'll come to MT4. You'll copy all of the MP4 and EX4 files, and the MQL4 files that are located in that file, that are extracted from the file that you download below this video. It's going to be these 5 here. Okay, you're gonna copy these and you're gonna paste them in this folder. Okay, you're gonna copy them from the downloaded folder that you extract files from. You're gonna copy them and paste them in this MQL indicators folder. Okay, you're gonna go back once you file and paste them. You're gonna go back and you're gonna click on templates, and you're gonna paste that last file here, which states the currency matrix official. Okay, you are going to copy and paste that file here in the templates. Once you do that, you're going to exit all of MT4 and reopen it. In order for the files to completely install into MT4, you will have to close MT4 and reopen it. Okay? Alright guys, watch this video very thoroughly and make sure you install everything accurately, and be prepared to tune into the live sessions and review the archives to fully understand exactly how to use this template to your advantage. Happy trading, and welcome to the Matrix.